Hey you. Hey. Come on into ServoCity for some awesome Cyber Monday deals. Deals.
Bodacious.
You can get up to 60% off gears.
Cowabunga, dudes.
You can get up to 60% off hubs. 20% off all gear motors.
Gnarly.
Up to 65% off sprockets? What were we thinking? Up to 20% off servos and up to 45% off servo blocks. Up to 60% off tubing. Totally tubular. Up to 60% off shafting. Save up to 20% on chassis kits. Up to 20% off motor controllers. 15% off select linear actuators.
Say hello to my little friend.
Take up to 60% off U-channel. Up to 45% off beams. Up to 60% off X-rail. Roll 60% off wheels and tires.
Bad to the bone.
Take up to 60% off pillow blocks. Pillow blocks don't sleep, they wait. So visit ServoCity this Black Friday through Cyber Monday for the raddest deals of the year.